Have you ever really thought about the incredible machine you live in every single day? I'm talking about your body. It's not just a collection of bones and muscles. It's a universe of bizarre, wonderful, and downright unbelievable processes happening every second. Today, we're diving deep into some of the most mind-blowing facts about the human body that will make you see yourself in a completely new light. Trust me, you're more amazing than you think. Let us start with something you do about 20,000 times a day without even thinking about it: breathing. But did you know that your lungs aren't just empty air sacs? They contain a vast, branching network of airways. If you could lay them all out, end to end, they would stretch for over 1,500 miles. That's like the distance from New York City to Dallas, Texas, all packed neatly inside your chest. Every breath you take travels through this incredible highway system to deliver life-giving oxygen to your blood. And speaking of blood, let's talk about your own personal superhighway. Your circulatory system, made up of arteries, veins, and capillaries, is an astonishing 60,000 miles long. That's long enough to wrap around the Earth more than twice. Your heart, the tireless engine of this system, beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping gallons of blood to every single corner of your body. It's the ultimate delivery service, bringing oxygen and nutrients and carrying away waste 24/7 for your entire life. Now let's zoom in a little. Have you ever wondered why your fingers get wrinkly in the bath? For a long time, people thought it was just your skin absorbing water. But it's actually an active, automatic response from your nervous system. These wrinkles act like tire treads, improving your grip on wet objects. It's a built-in, all-terrain upgrade that our ancestors likely found very useful for gathering food from wet environments. How cool is that? Your body is literally adapting in real time to its surroundings. Here's one that might sound a bit gross, but it's truly fascinating. You are never, ever alone. Your body is home to trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. In fact, these microbial cells outnumber your human cells by some estimates. This community is called your microbiome, and most of these tiny passengers are not just harmless, they're essential. They help you digest food, produce crucial vitamins, and even train your immune system. You're not just an individual, you're a walking, talking ecosystem. Let's move on to the command center, your brain. This 3-pound marvel of biology generates more electrical impulses in a single day than all the telephones in the world combined. It operates on about 20 watts of power, just enough to run a dim light bulb, yet it can store an estimated 2.5 petabytes of information. That's equivalent to about 3 million hours of YouTube videos. So the next time you forget where you put your keys, don't be too hard on yourself. Your brain is busy processing a staggering amount of data. And while your brain is the boss, your stomach has a mind of its own, literally. Scientists sometimes refer to our gut as the second brain. It's lined with a network of neurons called the enteric nervous system, and it can operate independently of your brain. Ever had a gut feeling about something? That might be your second brain talking. It influences your mood and decisions more than you realize, which is why a healthy gut is so closely linked to mental well-being. Here's another one for you. Every single minute, your body is in a constant state of renewal. You shed about 30,000 to 40,000 dead skin cells every hour. That's almost 1 million cells a day. Most of the dust in your home is actually made up of your old skin. And it's not just your skin. Your stomach lining replaces itself every few days. Your skeleton completely remodels itself about every 10 years. In many ways, you are not the same person you were a decade ago, physically speaking. Let's talk about your senses. Your eyes are so powerful they can detect a single photon of light. Under perfect conditions, you could theoretically see a candle flame from 30 miles away. And your nose? It might not be as good as a dog's, but it's still impressive. You can distinguish between at least 1 trillion different smells. Each scent is a complex puzzle that your brain instantly deciphers, linking it to memories and emotions in a way no other sense can. Now for a little bit of body chemistry. The acid in your stomach is incredibly strong. It's a hydrochloric acid solution with a pH between 1.5 and 3.5, which is powerful enough to dissolve zinc. So why doesn't it dissolve your stomach? because your stomach wall is protected by a thick layer of mucus that is constantly being replenished. It's an internal defense system that allows for powerful digestion without self-destruction. Think about the sheer strength you possess. Ounce for ounce, your jaw muscle, the masseter, is the strongest muscle in your body. It can close your teeth with a force of up to 200 pounds. And your bones? They are incredibly strong and light at the same time. A cubic inch of bone can, in principle, bear a load of 19,000 pounds. That's the weight of about 5 pickup trucks. It's a masterpiece of natural engineering. Have you ever thought about sneezes? A sneeze is your body's way of clearing out irritants from your nose. But the force is incredible. A sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour and can send about 100,000 germs flying into the air. This is why it's so important to cover your mouth when you sneeze. It's a tiny biological rocket launch happening right on your face. Let's consider dreams. We spend about a third of our lives asleep, and a significant portion of that time is spent dreaming. While we still don't fully understand why we dream, theories suggest it's how our brain processes emotions, solves problems, and consolidates memories from the day. Even if you don't remember your dreams, your brain is working hard all night long, like a night shift crew tidying up your mental workspace. Here's a final mind-bending fact. The atoms that make up your body were forged in the hearts of stars billions of years ago. Every bit of carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen within you was created in a stellar furnace and scattered across the universe by ancient supernovas. You are, quite literally, made of stardust. You are a piece of the cosmos that has become self-aware, capable of wondering about its own origins. So, the next time you look in the mirror, remember all of this. You're not just flesh and bone. You are a walking, breathing, thinking collection of miracles. You are a superorganism, a supercomputer, and a piece of the universe itself. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey through the human body. If you found these facts as fascinating as I do, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the wonders of our world. Until next time, stay curious,